Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Today on my Telegram channel, I mainly spoke about IndusInd Bank and Himmat Singh Side. We also spoke about TCS as well as Wipro. There were no trades taken on TCS and Wipro, but I was watching it mainly because today was an IT day. In my Stock Market Week Ahead video, I'm leaving the link right here so that you can watch that as well. There was an analysis on 3 stocks. That was Hero MotoCorp, Infosys and Dr. Reddy. So Infosys and Hero MotoCorp, both of them, they tested the levels that I spoke of and they went higher as well. Hero MotoCorp opened higher and from there it started falling down, and Infosys touched the levels that I spoke about and went a little bit higher than that as well. And this happened on the first day of the week itself. I'm still waiting for a breakout or a breakdown on Dr. Reddy. Do watch the video to understand the analysis that I did on Dr. Reddy as well. Also, if you'd like to get live updates from my side, do join the Telegram channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. Let's take a look at today's trades. So the first trade was on IndusInd Bank. When I saw the first 2 candles gave over 5% return, I expected some downside to this stock. When I saw this candle building, I had taken a short position somewhere around these levels here, and my stop losses were defined at 628 levels somewhere around here. And as and when the stock prices started coming downwards, at these levels here, I had booked 50% profit. And I specified that if 620 levels are broken, I expect the stock to go to 618 levels as well. But if you see, from there the stock price started moving up. The rest of the 50% I removed at loss at 628 levels. Net, I was not in profit or loss in this trade, mainly because 50% I had booked at the lower level somewhere around here and 50% here where my stop losses were hit. The second trade that I had done was on Himmat Singh Side. When I saw this candle building, I expected some downside from here. So somewhere around these levels here, I had taken a short position and my stop losses were any price above these levels here. As and when the stock price started moving down, I had updated that at every 0.75 points, I will be exiting 25% quantity. When the stock price fell to these levels, I had exited 50% of my quantity. When there was a retracement, at these levels here, I had again booked 25%. And when I saw this candle building up, it showed that there is a lot of bullishness in the stock and I completely exited the remaining 25% at these levels here. So if you see, from there the prices started moving up. If I did not exit, this candle would have hit my stop loss as well. Towards the end of the video, I will also be talking about why it is important to book profits. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And as and when the prices started consolidating, I expected either a breakout or a breakdown in the stock, mainly because it was range bound between these 2 ranges. So when this candle was building and this candle came, I also updated that there might be some retracement and this might be a fake breakout, mainly because there might be some resistance at these levels. If you see, the price started moving down from there. There was another breakout here which I did not take, mainly because I was looking at TCS and Wipro at that point of time. But I also updated that during the day, if 128.8 levels are broken, somewhere around here, I will enter the stock, mainly expecting it to hit the upper circuit. That is 20%, which was at 130.80. At these levels here, I completely exited the stock in profit. So this move happened within 2 minutes itself. And my orders were placed already at 128.80 levels. At around 12 o'clock, I also spoke of Wipro and TCS. So the stock was trading at these levels. I expected if the highs are taken out, there might be an upside, and also expected it to hit a 10% upper freeze as well. So if you see, the stock did break out from these levels here, and from there was a great upside. I did not trade the stock mainly because there was a lot of price fluctuation that was happening, which I wasn't able to understand, and I stayed away from the stock. But there was an expectation that this might hit a 10% upper freeze. That did not happen, mainly because of, so Nifty, if you see here, found initial resistance here, and from these levels, Nifty started falling downwards. That might have stopped the stock from moving up very high. So I hope you guys understood what were the trades taken. There was one fake breakout, and locking profit is an important thing in trading. If I expected IndusInd Bank to come somewhere around the levels of 618, my whole position would have been in loss where it hit my stop loss itself. So I had booked 50% and locked in my 50% profit, and the other 50% it hit stop loss, even though I expected it to come down from there. Yes, the prices post hitting my stop loss collapsed and they did come down. I did not change my stop loss because there was a reason behind that stop loss. I hope you found this video helpful. So try to understand from the mistakes that I make. so that you don't make the same mistake again. Even if I'm making profit or my analysis is right, it is better to learn from my analysis why I was looking at a particular stock, why there was an up move or a down move, what was the ranges. This will help you in your own analysis and you will realize if you're making any kind of mistake which I have made earlier. Do subscribe to Mostly Bearish and also join the Telegram channel to find live updates from my side. Thank you so much for watching my videos.